Mostly I used notes from speed learning app. Sir had taught in very detail in a very comprehensive way. All of the and on all the topics were covered in very detailed and comprehensive manner, and like we did not have to go through and much of other sources. So it was that, and then later we did grant tests and video lectures for and sessions for interview sessions also, which was very helpful.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of Speed Medical Institute and faculty of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Shamim Ansari for scoring AML 3 and CML 3 in MCh CTVS in NEES April 2026. Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
Great to have you in the session. And can we know your brief background from where you started till date? What all you have done?
Sir, I did my undergraduation from Jigmar, Puducherry. Then I did my post-graduation MS General Surgery from PGI Chandigarh. Yes, sir.
Very good, excellent, great accomplishment. All in Central Institutes. You're basically from which place?
Sir, I'm basically from around Gorakhpur, sir, in UP.
Okay. From Gorakhpur, you came to Jipmar, then to PGI.
Yes,
Then
sir.
where are you heading towards now?
Yes.
The final destiny is where of your super specialty?
Sir, I would like to choose in AIMS only. AIMS Delhi.
Very good, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So finally, you are into the Apex Institute, AIMS New Delhi. Excellent, congratulations. Okay, doctor. Once you decide, when you got an idea to do a CTVS, who inspired you? How you got that thought process?
Sir, from the beginning itself, I had a little bit keen interest on the working of cardiovascular physiology. Then later upon reading upon it during my undergraduation days, I found it more interesting. And then while choosing for a branch in post-graduation, I was more inclined towards the surgical part of it. So I chose to go towards general surgery first. Then in post-graduation, sir, we had exposure to vascular surgery a lot. We have a consultant, Dr. Ajay sir, in PGI Chandigarh, who is a vascular surgeon, and we had a lot of exposure of vascular surgery in our general surgery itself. Then we had 1 month peripheral postings in the cardiothoracic and vascular surgery in a unit for around 1 month, where we were posted in the OTs and in the post-op in the ICUs and in wards also. Thereon, I started then developed keen interest on going through and taking the branch of CTVS, sir.
Very nice, excellent. Doctor,
Yes.
when you decided to do CTVS, what
Yes.
was your preparation strategy to achieve this rank?
Sir, mostly I used notes from speed learning app, where Arun sir had taught in very detail in a very comprehensive way. All of the and on all the topics were covered in very detailed and comprehensive manner, and like we did not have to go through and much of other sources. So it was that, and then later we did grant tests, and sir had also provided video lectures for and sessions for interview sessions also, which was very helpful, where he has covered almost all the topics which were included in the exam.
Excellent, very nice. Number of questions did you attend this exam?
Attempted, sir, I attempted 77 out of 80 questions. Yes, sir.
Okay, doctor, what is your message for the future aspirants of MCh CTVS?
Sir, for MCh CTVS, like to get to know about the subject is very important. Only then you should decide to get into the branch, because you have to carry on it further for like almost all of your professional career and forward. So first you need to get to know the branch. Only then you decide, and then you start preparing, and then you develop on it. And once you have decided, then you can build upon it by reading. First you should read about the basics, and then develop some. If only you have keen interest on you get to know, like you want to do the subject, then only you decide. After that, once you have decided, then half of the work will be done mostly after that. Then you need to just go through the subject, and like you will be provided, like most of the sources like you will be covering almost all the topics which are covered in the exams. Few questions will be there which are which nobody will be, most people won't be knowing, so need not run behind those few questions which are very difficult, like most people are not aware of it. So you like go through the basics only, you cover the basics and build upon it, and you most people will make with that only. You need not go in detail for all the questions which have been asked, like all the these things which all the topics and all the questions.
Great. Dr.
And they will, and yes, they will always focus on the topics which are important. They will tell you speed up also what is all important for us to go through again and again to revise. They will also give you a plan like how to revise, when to give GTs. Like they you have told us to give through GTs before the exams, more number of GTs to be done before exams, and then go to the questions itself. That itself was very helpful. Just towards the end, I was just doing the grant test and only the review of those questions. That's all.
Great. Time to thank, and whom all you wish to thank that they helped you from day one till date in your career. You can use this platform to listen.
Okay, sir.
Whom you want
Sir.
to? Time to thank.
Okay, sir. I would like to thank my girlfriend. She was very helpful and supportive, and my family, my friends, and my teachers. Yes, sir.
Very good. Excellent.
Okay.
Doctor, once again, we wish you all the very best and all the success.
Thank you, sir.
Great
Thank you so much.
cardiothoracic, surgery as a career. From a
Yes.
cardiothoracic surgeon, I wish you
Yes. Thank you so much.
all the very best and all the success
Thank you, sir.
to achieve the pinnacle of success. Best wishes to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.